Hello friends, today we learn some basic prepositions in German. As you can see, there are some basic prepositions. So there are lots of doubt regarding the prepositions. So we will see some of the examples. So first preposition is in, means inside. Like ich wohne in Berlin. See, there are cities and countries that takes prepositions. Since Berlin, Frankreich, Bern, Madrid, they don't have any articles, so we use in. Ich wohne in Berlin, ich wohne in Frankreich, ich wohne in Bern, ich wohne in Madrid. So any city, any country which has no article, so that takes in. Okay, so this is the difference. Basically, sometimes we use in there, as you can see here. Schweiz, Switzerland, it has the article D, which is written in the bracket. Türkei D, USA D, which is plural. So when we make a sentence, we will say ich wohne in der Schweiz because it has article, so it changes into der. D change into der. Okay, this is the dative. Okay, dative sentence. Ich wohne in der Türkei. Ich wohne in den USA. So D USA in dative plural it becomes den. So you can see at the bottom D convert into der, dem, das, dem, and D plural into den. So this is the article. Okay, in nominative and dative. So they keep changing. So keep remember this thing. If the city or a place has an article, it takes in. Otherwise, in there or im anything. We'll see some more example further. So this is the preposition in. So without any doubt, if there is no article in the place or any country, you use in. Now, ich bin im Haus. So we know house is das and das convert into im, in plus dem, im. Ich bin im Haus, ich bin im Garten, das Auto ist im Park. So the article is written in the bracket, der Garten, der Park, das Haus. So therefore, it has article, so im. So remember, they have article, therefore we have used im. Ich bin im Haus, im Garten. So article plays an important role when you decide in or im. Okay, so article, it entirely depends upon the article of a noun. Again, you can see below the table D convert into der, dem, das, dem, and D same plural. Now this is another concept. If article, we have three articles basically, D, der, and das. These are definite articles, nominative. So D sometimes used as sur, der, sum, and das, sum. So sur, sum we use for two or towards. Sur means two or towards. So sometimes we use sur and sum. You must have seen many examples in which sum and sur is used. So this is basically comes from like this. The article is D, then sur. If the article is der or das, it is sum. So let's take some examples. Now see, ich gehe nach Hause. Again, it's a very complicated, sometimes difficult. Ich gehe nach Hause. I am going to home. So nach Hause. And the last sentence you can see highlighted yellow color. Ich bin zu Hause or ich bleibe zu Hause. If you are not going, you are stable. The position is constant. Okay, stationary. So ich bin zu Hause. I am at home. Or you can also use ich bin im Haus. I am. Ich bin im Haus. Or ich bin, okay, ich bleibe im Haus. That is also correct because there is no movement. If there is a movement, then top sentence written at the top, ich gehe nach Hause. Nach. Alright. So now say sum. Ich gehe zum Markt because the article of markt is der. So I said der, change into sum. I am going to market. You can say sum also or in den Markt. That is also correct. If you want to use in preposition, so in den. If you are using su, so sum because su is dative fixed. So sum. In is Wechsel mixed. So this is in den Markt. So both the sentence correct and the different preposition, okay, we can use in the sentence. So ich gehe zum Park or in den Park. Ich gehe zur Schule or in die Schule. Ich gehe zum Kino or ins Kino. Both correct. So this is the difference between in and zu. Okay, you must have seen these examples. In die Schule, zur Schule. So in is actually mixed preposition here. So it is working as a accusative. and su is always dative, therefore sur. I hope you are able to understand now the difference between in and su. There is a slight difference, very fair difference. Next preposition is von. It means from or of. It is dative preposition. So let's see some example. Das Buch von Stefan. The book of Stefan. Here von means of. Ich komme von der Arbeit. I come from the work. Ich komme von der Uni. I come from the university. Ich komme vom Bahnhof. I come from train station. So here von means, if you observe, the noun Arbeit, Uni and Bahnhof, these are enclosed place. A place which is enclosed. Closed. Okay. So we use von. This is also a hint, or you can understand, okay, through this process, if an enclosed area and you are coming out of that. So von. Von der Arbeit, workplace, here means Uni, enclosed area. Uni, von der Uni. Vom Bahnhof, enclosed. Train station is enclosed. There are 4 walls. So you are coming out of that, von. So this is another way of understanding this concept, von. And second is von means of, and another use von in reference to time framework. Der Unterricht ist von 9 bis 12 Uhr. This is in reference to time. Der Unterricht, the class is from 9 till 12 o'clock. So here von bis. So the sequence is from till. So this is another use of von. So von bis and von as of and von to come out from an area. So this is the use of von broadly. These are basic use, means broadly we use in these contexts. So I'm not giving you detail, just giving you brief idea about these prepositions. These are basics and very much in demand, and these are very often used. So you must be aware about these things. Next, aus, very similar. People get confused when to use aus and when to use von. Aus means again from. It is also dative. It's from. So ich bin aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Both correct. I come from Germany. I am from Germany. When you introduce yourself, this is the sentence. Ich bin aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Second use, ich trinke Wasser aus dem Glas. I drink water from the glass. So you are taking something, you are drinking something from the glass. Ich trinke Milch, ich trinke Saft aus dem Glas, ich trinke Tee aus dem Glas, ich trinke Wasser aus dem Glas. So from the glass. So here we use aus, okay, not von, always aus. Another use, der Tisch ist aus Holz. So here aus means made of. The table is made of wood. So here aus means something which is made of. If you are saying that this product is made of this thing, wood, metal, okay, so any metal, so we will use aus. So this is another use of aus. So der Tisch ist aus Holz. Die Schuhe sind aus Leder. The shoes are made of leather. Der Schrank ist aus Holz. Der Tisch ist aus Holz. Okay. Die Tasche ist aus Plastik. The bag is made of plastic. So these are the things. Der Ring ist aus Gold. The ring is made of gold. So these are all use of aus. Something which is made of. When you say this thing is made of this product. Okay. So this is the use of aus. Actually we use for the raw material. When we talk about the raw material, some product, we define the product, like this product is made of this thing. So we use aus. So this is the use of aus. I hope you understand this thing.